Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Groupon deals using your Groupon application. If you want to share your Groupon deals with your friends, you can refer them to this site and earn free money to use the on deals through Groupon. So in order to do that, go ahead and open your Groupon application and make sure that you're logged into your account. You can also log into groupon.com on a web browser. And once you're logged in, go ahead and select a deal you'd like to share with your friends. Once you find the deal, go ahead and open it up. Now, go to the top right hand corner and tap on the share icon. You'll then see this kind of a pop-up. You can go ahead and send the deals to a friend by browsing through your friend list, or you can also copy the link by tapping on the copy button and then go to any other social networking applications and share the deal to the person by pasting in the link in the text box. Send the message to the contact and then you'll be able to share a specific deal with your friend or anyone on Groupon. So that was how you can easily share a deal on Groupon using the Groupon application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.